getting you ready for spring gardening with A Bloom Garden Center. We're here with our new friend Beth Malphus, and we're talking about pollinator plants today. Now, for our friends at home who aren't familiar with pollinator plants, tell me a little bit about them.
Okay, so pollinator plants are going to be plants that attract pollinators. Pollinators can be bees, birds, butterflies, hummingbirds. These are going to be creatures who pollinate by transferring pollen from a male flower to a female flower. And that is how we get our fruit, because when they pollinate these flowers, then the flower is able to produce fruit, and therefore we're able to eat.
Yeah.
And we get seeds to make more flowers.
I love it. So this is all really cool. When you think of pollinator plants or flowers, you think they're really working flowers, but they're also beautiful too. We've got a lot of different colors here. I want you to tell me a little bit about some of these plants and how they help our ecosystem.
Okay. So one of the groups of plants that are great for pollinators are actually some of our edibles, fruit and herbs and vegetables. So here we have some blueberry. The bees love the blueberries. We've got a blackberry bush here, or vine, and you can see the flowers on the top of it. They are going to be pollinated by bees as well, and also wind. Citrus trees, I think we have a lemon tree there, or grapefruit, and the flowers are fragrant, so that will actually attract the bees, and they are pollinated that way. And then we have here the native Titi Cliftonia. Interesting fact about the Cliftonia is the honeybees love this plant, and they pollinate it. They get their nectar from it, and the nectar from this plant contributes to the flavor of your honey. So that's really interesting. And then bees are also attracted to rosemary when it blooms. That's going to be more in the summertime. And then this is a Mexican heather, which is a great perennial plant that the bees love. And then we have delphiniums here, which are beautiful in the spring. Yes.
So these are all so beautiful. We also got a guy over here. Is this a delphinium?
That's not a delphinium. Yep. This is called borage.
Borage. Yes. A different texture, a different color, which is beautiful, y'all. So this is all so cool. Also something that you guys offer and have. These awesome little flower mixes. Yes. Great for the family, great for kids, and even schools if you're having a community garden. So tell me a little bit about some of these that you offer and how it works.
Okay, so we offer packets of seed that are groups of seed that are for specific pollinators. So we have like a hummingbird garden or a bee mix, and they're very easy to sow in the ground, just cover with a light layer of soil. And the kids love this because they can watch them grow from seeds, and then they're very proud of it. And they can see the pollinators come and enjoy the butterflies, and it's just a great way to experience nature and great activities for the kids.
This is so cool. It could be a family thing if you want to start a garden in your home or maybe at your child's school too. So again, this is really, really neat. If they need any more information, if they want to go ahead, come and check out some of these pollinator plants. Where can they find you guys at?
We're here at 116 Alverson Road in West Mobile. That's near Schillinger and Old Shell.
And then they can also find you on Facebook, right?
Yes, we're on Facebook at A Bloom Garden Center.
Now, to make it easy and convenient, you can shop online at abloomgardencenter.com. And remember, orders over $100 or more get free delivery within 7 miles of their store. All right, y'all, keep that in mind. Y'all, nature is so cool. These pollinator plants are fascinating. Make sure you go ahead and come get yours today. So obviously, just a reminder, that was filmed before the COVID-19 pandemic hit our area, but they are still open. A lot of folks are working on their yards, getting some plants, and so that's the place to go.